Hi guys, welcome back to another content from Brazilian of Tech. And right now, I want to show you guys one of the best Nigerian company startup whereby you can withdraw your foreign currencies from, whereby you can deposit your foreign currencies and withdraw it to your local bank account. And the one on my list, which I'm going to be using right now, is Clever. Clever is one of the best startup out there, which I've been using for years now, and they're actually reliable. So first thing which I'm going to do right now is you can create an account with them, and I'm going to show you how to withdraw once you create an account with them. So this is my mail, and I'm into my account, logging into my account now. I just want to show you how to withdraw into your account. Inserting my secret pin, you can't see that because that is personal to me. So right now, I will show you how to withdraw. So the first thing which you're going to do, where you're going to go to right now, I've been using them for so long and they're actually reliable, is to transfer. So can you see that? You can see the rate. So let's do transaction of $50. So you can see the amount of $50 at the rate of 1,530 naira. So let me search the bank I'm using. I'm going to be using Zenith Bank, which is one of the reliable banks I'm using for this. And let me just read the descriptions through. So that's it, and I'm just going to click continue. So can you see that it's showing me that transfer of $50 to my account, full account name. And one thing you should always take note of is Clever. One thing you should take note of Clever is that the account you are transferring must actually be the name that is on your profile while creating with Clever. Many people don't know that. Like, you don't open the account for someone else. Like, if you haven't an aim to open this account, to open a Clever account so you can transfer to other people, trust me, they're going to stop you from sending that phone. So it must be to your own personal account. So right now you see me confirm details, and let me put in my PIN, and trust me, I'm going to receive this money sharp in my account. So thank you for watching this video. Give it a like and thumbs up, and make sure you share, and share with anyone. And I'm going to insert my referral code right under this video description for you to actually watch. If you're interested in creating a bank account using Clever and you want to know how to withdraw this, it's actually reliable. I can beat my chest and tell you that Clever is one of the best in Nigeria, and they're actually reliable 100%. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.